This is a Century Communities Plan Buchanan. I just saw this for the first time a few minutes ago. And this is filmed in Lexington Heights. However, it's not completed 100%, but I'm over here filming and I wanted to show it to you. But I also want to show you the neighborhood is huge and it's really high. But this neighborhood is going way out there in the distance. And the location is awesome. I mean, you're up really high here. I mean, it's like a hill. And you go downhill here. But the neighborhood is massive, way out there in the distance. All right, let's go inside and take a look at this Buchanan. You got tall ceilings coming in, 9 foot. This is bedroom 1. Full bathroom. Tub shower combination, tile. Linen closet. Bedroom 2. Here is the garage. Garage door opener, sprinkler system over there. Utility panel, tankless water heater. And this is set up so you can have a water softener. Oh, look at that. I didn't see this. Filtration coming in. Scale cutter. There's a closet. Utility room. You could put like a little piece of furniture there, like a hall tree or something with the backpacks and whatever you got, the shoes, and then you come on in here. Big kitchen, granite, looking good. Fridge will go there. They're working in here. But you got a walk-in pantry. This will be a dining area. Actually, this will be the living room. Dining over there. That's the new chandelier. The 2 lights. Covered patio looks good. Here's the master. Two sinks. Separate tub and shower. Toilet has a door. And this is the master closet. And there you have it. A Century Communities Plan Buchanan. Almost completed. But if you have any questions about it, let me know.